Yo, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm bringing you back another video on the channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing the K056 microphone by FIFINE, and yeah, this is one of those condenser sort of budget-friendly microphones. I'm not sure if it's going to be good. Apparently, it's a comparable audio quality to a Blue Snowball, but also they say the same thing about the other microphone, which is the one-up microphone, which is the K670 as well. So, and the price difference is literally double, so I really don't know what it is, which one's better, which one's not, but I got the cheaper version right here. And you know what, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So within the unboxing, the microphone comes into a really nice box, pretty nice and premium quality actually. And when you open it up, it reveals two little pieces of paper, one of them which is the instruction booklet, and the other ones is actually a little welcome message. Pretty cool, pretty snazzy. And then the further one into the unboxing, as you can see, there is actually the microphone itself in like a little covered case, like a little bag thing, just to protect it from any scratches and everything. And the microphone actually itself feels really sturdy, really nice, and it's actually all metallic, which shows it's sort of high quality. But it's not just about the quality of the aesthetics, it's also about the quality of the microphone and how it performs, which we're going to be testing out later on in today's video. And further on, the microphone also comes with two little dial knobs, which allows you to adjust like the echo. Yeah, it gives it a little pointless echo effect, which you can actually do in post, but okay, that's pretty cool. You know, whenever you're streaming or something, that could come in handy if you want to do like sort of echoey effects or something like that. But yeah, and also it comes with a little volume knob, which you can also adjust the volume depending on how loud you want your mic to be. Also, the microphone comes with a 4-pin XLR cable. It's actually an XLR to a USB cable, which I've never really sort of used. Any sort of mics that I've previously used within the history of my mic using would be a pure USB microphone or a pure XLR microphone. And the XLR microphones that I tend to use are always 3-pin. So 4-pin, I guess it's not actually pure phantom power. It's actually just regular USB power. It's just got a different connector just so it makes it look cool. Microphone also comes with a little tripod and a little clip-on that you clip the mic on, and it's sort of on the cheap side, but at the same time, hey, you know what? You get what you pay for, right? It's a cheap microphone. You're not gonna get super expensive equipment. You're gonna get something on the budget side that just works and gets the job done. All right, so the specifications on the microphone are that the microphone comes with a 5-volt power supply. It's a unidirectional or polar pattern, so the microphone only picks up from the front. It doesn't pick up from the side, or it does pick up from the side, but it sort of cancels the audio from the side. And from the back, it doesn't actually pick up the audio at all. Might pick up some hums or anything, you know, like if you're actually speaking properly behind the microphone, might pick it up slightly, but it won't pick up any sort of background noise such as a keyboard or a mouse click or some other further away background noise. Also, what it has is a frequency response of 20 hertz down to minus 20 kilohertz, which is fantastic. And the rest of the specification, I'm literally going to show it to you guys, because last time I was mentioning specification of a microphone, I think it was a headset microphone. What happened was that I was pronouncing stuff wrong, and you guys laughed at me in the comment section below, which was, I mean, it was quite funny, but I don't want to repeat my mistakes once again. But I mean, guys, it's time to test the microphone on the technical side of things. Aspect wise, it looks pretty sexy. Technical side, we will find out. So let's go into my computer and test the microphone. Okay, so I finally plugged in the microphone. As you can hear, this is the audio coming straight from the microphone. What we're going to be doing is actually playing around with the knobs on the microphone just to readjust the audio a little bit, just to see if it makes it better, worse, what happens to the audio when we play around the little knob. So there is the volume knob and there is also the echo knob. So the echo knob is this one. I'm going to adjust the echo knob, and while I'm speaking, I'm adjusting the echo knob. And as I'm adjusting it to the higher percentage, it should echo even more. So like now it's on full, I put the echo on full, and it should be really echoey. I'm going to turn it down because we don't want it extremely echoey, because that's a little bit annoying. I mean, there are some effects that you would like to have an echoey microphone for, but most of them you can actually have in post. And also the volume, you can actually adjust the volume, which is great when you're live streaming or something. So right now, I'm sorry for the ear rape, I've turned the microphone fully up, and now I'm going to turn it down back to how it was. And also you can mute the microphone by turning the volume knob all the way down, which I'm going to do right now. here is the microphone unmuted, so there is no like little line where it says when it's off, so sometimes you might actually turn it off while trying to readjust the audio by accident. That's why what I'm keeping is the knob facing a 90-degree angle to the right, and that is where I'm actually having the microphone at its sort of lowest audio pickup gain thing, because otherwise the audio will start peaking and it will sound really distorted. Okay, so I actually just heard that the microphone test did go alright. I'm not super fascinated about the microphone. It's actually lower than what I've expected. I thought when I first opened up the box, I was like, hey, this looks so high quality, like the build looks so high quality. I hope the microphone is going to sound as good as the build quality, and unfortunately it didn't actually sound as good as I thought it would have. There's a lot of mics out there around the same price range which actually sound a tiny bit better. I mean, the build quality of them is crap, but they sound much better, and it doesn't really matter of the build quality as much. If it's a microphone in the budget range, you sort of want to make it sound as best as possible, and you don't really care how it looks as long as it performs great and you get a sexy audio out of it, such as a Blue Snowball. You know, I am actually using a Blue Snowball right now, and Blue Snowball microphones, they don't look the greatest, but they have some sexy audio as well. So yeah, but unfortunately I have run out of time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like. If you really love them, make sure to subscribe. If you guys want to check out this microphone and maybe get you know, buy it yourself, you know, it's not a bad microphone. It gets the job done, gets the audio from the point A to B. You know, you speak, it picks it up, it goes into a PC. You could possibly use it for regular general commentaries and stuff like that when you're beginning YouTube and you don't want to break your bank or anything, and just have some sort of clean audio, but at the same time nothing too high quality, something to start off with. It's a perfect mic for any person that's starting off sort of commentary style videos. But otherwise, this microphone, I don't think it's for me. I might try the 1UP microphone, which is the K058, which is a much better microphone. When I looked at the specs of it, it's much better than what's actually advertised over here, and it's actually double the price. So it's the same price as the Blue Snowball. It's actually more expensive, I think. I'm not too sure, because the price is constantly changing on the market. But if it's time to I'm going to end this video here. All the links in the description if you want to get the microphone yourself and test it out yourself. It's nothing too expensive. It won't break your bank if you don't like it. And anyways, you know, it is on Amazon, so you can send it back if you don't like it. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye.